Foodborne pathogens remain a major challenge in the food industry, and Listeria monocytogenes is one of the deadliest. In this video, we will explore how nano-encapsulations of natural antimicrobials offers an innovative and effective way to control this threat. By Listeria monocytogenes. This bacterium is commonly found in salad vegetables and raw or cooked meat. What makes it particularly dangerous is its ability to survive and multiply at refrigerated temperatures as low as 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Listeria is often present in ready-to-eat products, which bypass the cooking process, a major control point for most bacteria. Once it's consumed, the infection can result in septicemia, meningitis, and even miscarriage, especially in vulnerable populations such as pregnant women, the elderly, and immunocompromised individuals. The contamination occurs in three main routes. First, the cross-contamination from unclean cutting boards or infected food handlers. Second, the temperature abuse, where the improper storage or transports allow Listeria to grow. And third, the lack of preservation, especially when food lacks effective antimicrobial packaging. To show how widespread and persistent this issue is, we refer to global outbreak data. Between 1996 and 2018, there are 123 major events of Listeria monocytogenes were reported. 65% of them were outbreaks involving 2 or more confirmed human cases. 11% of them were sporadic, and 24% of them were precautionary recall due to contaminations. Alarmingly, the average fatality rate is 20%, especially affecting the elderly and pregnant women. Let's take a look at 2 notable cases. In South Africa, there are over thousands of people who were infected and more than 200 died after consuming the contaminated meat product. In Malaysia, a study found that Listeria contamination in burger patties and vegetables tested, highlighting its relevance and prevalence locally. To address this, we introduced the nano-encapsulations of natural antimicrobials. This involves enclosing substances like essential oils or plant extract into nanoscale carriers, such as liposome or nanogels. These particles range from 1 to 100 nanometers in size. The antimicrobial used include essential oils, plant extracts, and also organic acids. The nano-encapsulations helps to protect these compounds from environmental damage such as light or oxygens, and they stabilize them during the storage and control their release so that the antimicrobial effects is sustained over time. Now, let's break down how nano-encapsulations works. The nanocapsules are embedded directly into the foods like dairy and meat. Each capsule holds natural antimicrobials such as essential oil, plant extract, or organic acids I mentioned before, which is then protected by a shell made of lipids or chitosanes. Over time, these compounds are slowly released through passive diffusion. Once released, they disrupt the microbial membranes, damage DNA, and inhibits enzyme, ultimately killing the Listeria. They also block quorum sensing, preventing the biofilm formations. This slow release action offers ongoing protections, preserves the food quality, and reduces the need for excess additives. This technique offers several advantages that make it suitable for food application. The slow release mechanism provides a long-term antimicrobial protection, and the lower dose of this technique helps preserve the food's natural taste, aroma, and texture. Besides, nano-encapsulations enhance the water solubility of essential oils and reduce volatility. It is also eco-friendly when many carriers are biodegradable, thus reducing environmental impact. Lastly, it is also consumer-friendly, which aligns with the growing demand for natural, clean-label food preservation method. Now, let's explore the real-world application that clearly show that nano-encapsulation is a proven and effective strategy to combat Listeria. In milk, encapsulating thyme essential oil reduced the minimum inhibitory concentration by half, which then doubled the antimicrobial power. In beef, a mix of carbapenem and thyme oil actually extended the shelf life and successfully suppressed Listeria for 10 days. In fruit juice, essential oil nano-emulsions preserve both flavor and freshness while preventing microbial growth. In zucchini and cooked sausage, carbapenem nano-emulsions significantly cut down Listeria contaminations. Even in milk and dairy, nano-liposomes carrying lysosomes and lysines effectively suppress Listeria without altering product quality. Together, these studies reinforce that our proposed nano-encapsulations approach is not only practical, it works. In summary, Listeria monocytogenes poses a significant threat in both developed and developing countries, including Malaysia ourselves. Using nano-encapsulated natural antimicrobials offers a smart and sustainable way to tackle this problem, especially in ready-to-eat vegetables and meat patties. This approach not only controls microbial growth, but also supports food safety, quality, and consumer trust.